Hello, my dear student. In the previous class, we have discussed about division. So we are going to again discuss from the chapter number 4, and that is exercise number 1. Okay. So here you can see what is given here. Divide. No, a number. You can see in the whiteboard. No, what is given here? 6465. We have to divide it by 5. No. So first of all, what we will do, at first make one box like this one. Okay. So at first write the which one is dividend. This is your dividend. You have to write the dividend here. No, 6 4 10 4 6 5. Okay. So now 5 is your divisor. So write 5 here. Okay. So here always remember here your divisor is 5. No, 5, that means what? Only one digit. If the divisor here is only one digit, then you have to also take one digit from the dividend. No, if the dividend is what greater than the divisor, then you can take. Okay. Otherwise, if it is smaller than the divisor, no, যদি ডিভিজৰতকৈ যদি সৰু হয় তেতিয়াহলে আমি কি কৰিব লাগিব আৰু এটা নাম্বাৰ ল'ব লাগিব no. So here you can see that what the number is greater than 5, যে 5 তকৈ কি হয় ডাঙৰ হয় 6 টো ঠিক আছে. সো এইকাৰণে আমি কি কৰিম যে 6 টোকে আমি ফাৰ্স্ট টাইম কি কৰিম ডিভাইড কৰিম ঠিক আছে. So what you will do here, if you want to divide it, no, you have to know the table book properly, understood. So now 5 1 is what your 5. No, 5 1 is 5, then 5 2 is 10. No, and always remember one thing. Okay, যে আমি কি এটা বস্তু মনত ৰাখিব লাগিব যে যেটো আমাৰ ডিভাইডেন্ট আছে সেই ডিভাইডেন্টটো কি হ'ব না লাগিব ডাঙৰ হ'ব না লাগিব. Suppose 5 1 5, no, we can write 5 but we can write 10. No, 5 2 10. No, because why? If you write 10, then the 10 will be what greater than, no, greater than 6. 6 হতকে ডাঙৰ হৈ যাব, সেইকাৰণে আমি ডাঙৰ লিখিব নোৱাৰো, আমি সৰু লিখিব পাৰো, or we can write equal then. No, আমি কি equal লিখিব পাৰো. No, suppose 2 3 is 6, no, then we can write, but if it is larger than the dividend, no, then we can write. Okay, so you have to write at first 5 1 5. No, so 5 we have written. Now we have to what? Subtract, no, from 6 to 5. No, if you subtract 6 to 5, then it will be 1. No, now it is what? Less than, no, less than 5. So we have to what? Take another digit. No, if you down 4, no, then will be what? 14. Okay, so now 5 1 5, 5 2 10, then 5 3 is 15. No, so 15 is what? Greater than, so you can take 15. So which one you can take? 10. Okay, so write here 10. If you subtract from 4 to 0, no, then it will be what? 4 1 to 1 0. If there is 0, no, then there you have to no need to write, no, in the left hand side. That means if you write the 0 here, no, there is no value, so it doesn't need 0. Okay, so what you will do here, now again you have to word down 6, another digit you have to down. আমি 6 to down কৰি দিম এনেকৈ. Okay, now if you know the table book, no, then what? 5 9 is 45. No, 5 9 is 45, but here is what is given here 46, so you can write 45. Okay, 45. If you subtract from 6 to 5, then it will be 1. No, if you subtract from 4 to 4, then it will be 0, so 0 is no need in the left hand side. Okay, that means it has no value. No, now down what is given here? 5 is here. No, you have to down 5. Okay, so now 5, sorry, you have not written. No, 9 we have not written. Okay, so now 5 3 is 15. Okay, so if you subtract 15 to 15, then it will be 0. Now your question is question, or simply we can write as a what? Q. Q stand for question. Okay, question is your 193 and then remainder. R stand for remainder. Remainder is 0. Okay. So now look at the question number B. No? Look at the question number B. Now we are going to solve question number B. Okay. So in B number, what is given here? 7 3, no, 7 3, then what? 4 6. You have to divide it by 6. No. So now, like A number, here is 6 and here is 7. No, 7 is greater than 6. So you can take only one digit. No need to another digit. Okay. Aro eta digit na lage amak. So 6 1 is what? Your 6. If you subtract 6, 7 to 6, then it will be 1. No, then down 3, that will be 13. Now what? 6 2 is 12. No, if you subtract from 3 to 2, then it will be 1. No, now down 4, 14, then again 2 times, no, 12. Okay, now 4 to 2 is 2, then again down 6, no, 26, then 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24, 6 4 is 24. If you subtract, then it will be 2. Okay. So now your question is 1 2 2 4 and then remainder is 2. Okay. So if you want to check, no, যদি চেক কৰিব বিচৰা তেতিয়াহলে কি চেকও কৰিব পৰাটো হতে ঠিক আছে সো হাউ ক্যান ইউ চেক ইট ওকে সো নাও লুক হিয়ার চেক আমি কি কৰিব লাগিব চেক কৰাৰ সময়ত এটা ফৰ্মুলা আছে কেনেকুৱা ফৰ্মুলা যে আমাক ফার্স্ট টাইম কি কৰিব লাগিব যে আমাৰ যেটো কি আছে কোৱেশ্চন আছে নো কোৱেশ্চন আৰু কি হয় ডিভিজৰ আমাক কি কৰিব লাগে মাল্টিপ্লাই কৰিব লাগে আৰু যেটো ৰিমাইন্ডাৰ আছে ৰিমাইন্ডাৰ আমি কি কৰি দিম প্লাস কৰি দিম আমি লাষ্টত ঠিক আছে সো your question is what is given here question 1 no 2 2 4 no then into your divisor is 6 given here no now remainder is what is given here remainder 2 so write 2 here okay so if you multiply now 6 4 is 24 no this is 4 then 2 is left no that means carry then 6 to the 12 and 2 is 14 4 then again 1 is carry 13 no 13 3 1 is carry then 6 1 is 6 and 1 is 7 no then again here you have to what add 2 no then what 7 no 7 3 then 4 then 6 okay if it is exactly same no 7 3 here is also 7 3 and here is 4 6 and here is also 4 6 no that means what is it your correct no so now you can check it by yourself okay by at your home okay so thank you today for watching my video in the next class I will discuss the exercise number 2 okay